Carry.
So I'm starting once again, okay? So hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on Microsoft Copilot. My name is Arbaz Siddiqui and I'll be guiding you to the world of Microsoft Copilot. Let's say, for example, that you have an inbox full of unread emails or messages, and simultaneously you have reports to analyze and presentations to create, and you feel overwhelmed and wish that you had an assistant, somebody or someone who understands what you need, automates your tedious tasks, and help you work smarter. Well, that's exactly what Microsoft Copilot does. Over here, we'll look into the revolutionizing productivity of Microsoft with AI. So basically, it is not just an AI tool, it's a game changer in how we work or how we plan our activities. So, what is Microsoft Copilot? As I already mentioned, that it's an AI powered assistant integrated with Microsoft 365 apps, or let's say Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and so on. There are so many apps belong to Microsoft. It helps us write better, analyze data faster, design presentations effortlessly, and even automate our emails as well as collaborate faster. By using this advanced AI and machine language or machine learning, Copilot transforms how we interact with technology, making us more efficient and creative. It provides intelligent suggestions and enhanced productivity. So, Copilot isn't just about saving time, it's about improving the quality of work we produce or we do in a business or any field. So there are certain key features in Microsoft Copilot. Let's see what it provides. First, it automates repetitive tasks, saving our time for high value work. Okay, whether you need to draft an email, Copilot suggests the perfect wordings or paragraphs for you, or you are working on a report, it summarizes keywords for you on your behalf. Even if you are creating a presentation, okay, it generates slides with relevant content and visual representations or pictures or images whatsoever. But it doesn't stop here. It provides data insights in Excel, then smart suggestions in Word, and seamless collaboration in Teams. It's like having a personal AI assistant who knows exactly what you need and guides you with real productivity. Now, a question will arise in your mind that how does this magic happens? How does this Copilot or AI works? So basically, Copilot combines the power of Microsoft Graph and OpenAI's advanced models. Microsoft Graph pulls data from your documents like emails, meetings, and interactions, while AI models generates intelligent responses based on that data. This means Copilot doesn't just provide generic answers. It understands the context of your work, learns from your interactions, and then delivers context-aware recommendations. It doesn't just predict words, it understands the meaning and then provides suggestions that align with your work. Now, there are certain benefits of using this Copilot. Coming to the benefits, there are so many. First of all, Copilot boosts productivity efficiently by saving time and reducing manual effort in document creation, improves decision making, helping businesses make informed decisions, and enhances collaboration, enabling teams to work together or more effectively. Let us quickly jump to some real world examples. So imagine that you are a marketing manager, okay, and you are tasked with launching a new product campaign. So there are certain things that you need to do. You need to create a presentation, write a press release, and collaborate with your team to meet the deadline. So that's where this Microsoft Copilot comes in use. With Copilot's assistance, you can generate content for your presentation, refine your writing style for press release, and even get suggestions for alternative phrases. It can also help you design your presentation, provide insights to support your key findings, and streamline your email management by suggesting responses. And even it categorizes emails accordingly. But that's not all. Copilot also facilitates collaboration with your team by suggesting relevant document, assigning tasks, and providing updates on project's progress. With Copilot, business can boost their productivity, efficiency, and collaboration. That's the power of AI-driven business. So since the Copilot has so many benefits or advantages, there are certain challenges and limitations too. Let us look into that. So as I already mentioned that in spite of having so many benefits, there are certain limitations of using Copilot. Of course, no technology is perfect. There can be consequences of data security breach as it possesses sensitive user data. Accuracy as the content may lead to a lack of critical thinking and creativity, and the need for human oversight to avoid errors or biasness. However, Microsoft is continuously improving Copilot, ensuring it becomes more reliable and secure in future. So, coming to the conclusion, AI technology is advancing rapidly, and we can expect even smarter features, deeper integrations, and improved accuracy in the coming future or coming years. Microsoft is also working on industry-specific versions of Copilot for healthcare, advanced finance, and many more sectors, making AI even more specialized. With Copilot, we are stepping into a world where work is not just faster, but smarter. And the key point is to use AI as a tool that enhances our abilities, not replaces them. It doesn't replace ourselves, it just enhances our productivity and creativity. And AI is no longer a future concept, it's here in the present, and it's transforming our daily tasks. The future of work isn't about replacing people with AI, it's about empowering people with AI. That's all from my end. Thank you so much.